is Mia. I'm 8 years old. I study English at Bridge English Inland. Today, I'm going to talk about family. Who is he? He is my grandpa. What is his name? His name is Nam. Who is he? He is my dad. What is his name? His name is Ning. Who is he? He is my brother. What is his name? His name is Gung. Who is he? He is my uncle. What is his name? His name is Dun. Who is he? He is my baby brother. What is his name? His name is Sun. Who is he? He is my cousin. What is his name? His name is Vương. Who is she? She is my grandma. What is her name? Her name is Loan. Who is she? She is my mom. What is her name? Her name is Lan. Who is she? She is my sister. What is her name? Her name is Lee. Who is she? She is my aunt. What is her name? Her name is Nga. Thank you for listening and goodbye.